Hi! Oh my gosh, I'm so glad you're here today. This recipe is so good and quick and easy for a weeknight meal. Today I am going to be making Korean bowls, and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. The first thing you're going to need is some kind of ground meat. I'm using a mixture of ground pork and ground beef. You'll need coconut milk for the rice, salt and pepper, soy sauce, chili garlic sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, ginger, garlic, however much rice you want to make for the recipe. I'm doing 3 cups. I'm doubling the recipe because my husband will eat this for lunch all week. And then you will also need some green onions. So the first thing you want to do is get your rice started. I like to use coconut milk to make my rice. So I use the majority of the liquid is going to be coconut milk, and then I just top it off with however much water I need. So for my rice, I'm doing 3 cups, so I need 4.5 cups of liquid. So I think the coconut milk comes out to be about like a little under 4 cups, and then I just top it off with water. The next thing you'll do is just brown your ground meat. I do like to add some olive oil to the pan just so it doesn't stick. You can do that if you want, but you don't have to. Next is the fun part, making the sauce. So I am doubling this recipe. I actually maybe think that I tripled it. I do usually at least double the sauce because I like the meat to be a little more saucy. So you can just kind of play around with the recipe, but I'll put the exact recipe in the description box. But it's really easy. Everything just comes together. I do like to get that diced garlic because it's quicker than having to dice my own garlic. And sometimes the garlic, when you buy it, it's just not very good. So this stuff, you know it's going to be good. I also buy the ginger that's already grated, that's in the tube, just because that's another thing that saves a little bit of time on the busy school nights, or if there's something going on after school, just to be able to get the ingredients all in there quick and still have a good meal. Now the last thing is you just add in your sauce and your green onions, and you just let that simmer for a few minutes. I think it's like 3 to 4 minutes, and then your meal is ready, and it came together really quickly. Alright, this is the next day, and these are the leftovers, but I wanted to show you how we assemble the bowls. I put the rice in the bottom, the meat over that, fry an egg or 2 and put on top of that, and then steam some broccoli in the microwave, and then we just add whatever kind of sauces that you like. So we do soy sauce, sriracha, and yum yum sauce, and that is all we do. And this is seriously like a family favorite. We eat it at least once a week or every other week, and usually Nick likes to eat it for lunch. So I hope you guys try it, and I think you'll really like it.